There is much more to cryptocurrency than investing. There are hundreds of decentralized applications built on over a dozen cryptocurrency blockchains. These dApps allow you to do things like lend, borrow, and trade cryptocurrencies without relying on a centralized intermediary like a bank or cryptocurrency exchange. As it turns out, cutting out these middlemen not only makes transactions more secure and efficient, it also results in more profits for the end user. Accessing this new world of finance requires a bridge from the regular internet to the decentralized internet where these applications exist. One of the best bridges on the market is Metamask. The first thing I'm going to do is send the ETH in my Metamask wallet to my Binance account to buy BNB, which is a cryptocurrency used to pay for network fees on the Binance Smart Chain.
Okay, this is what Trust Wallet looks like, and it does have some other opportunities that we'll be discussing in a few minutes that MetaMask does not. Okay, so here's the Trust Wallet website, and you can see you can get it for the Apple, you can get it for Google or Android phones. Okay, so it is probably the easiest way.
What you see is the most important one, so pay very close attention. The words you see when you click on Reveal Secret Words is your MetaMask wallet seed. You need to write these down and put them in a safe place. You'll be able to recover your funds if anything ever happens to your computer using these words.